Hello everyone, welcome back in a FreeCAD basic tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use extrude tools in FreeCAD. Okay, in FreeCAD we have two options to extrude the sketch. First we can use pad tools, and the second we can use extrude tools. For example, here we can create new drawings, and I will go into part designs. After it we can create new body and create sketch. We can choose top plane. And now in here I will create a rectangle object start from this point. You can click close to close this sketch option. The next, to extrude with a pad, you can click this icon, pad tools, or you can click in here pad. You can click and it will automatically extrude sketch. You also can change extrusion in here, like you can set it to 20. So it will be changed into 20 for extrusion. The next, you can click OK to apply this extrusion. The second option, we can use extrude tools, but first in here we can create new body again. I will create a rectangle object. Okay, we can create from this point to here. Next, close. And now to use extrude tools, you can go into part tools. You can click here part, and then you can click these tools, extrusions. So it will be automatically select, and then you can change for length in here, like we can set into 20. Okay, and then you can click apply, so it will be automatically extrude into 20. You can close to finish this extrusion command. Okay, enough today for a FreeCAD basic tutorial how to extrude sketch. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.